Now, the hip extension hold, this does require you to have an equipment like the GHD machine, or if you could kind of do it yourself, find a pad or foam for your hips and somewhere to fasten your feet or anchor your feet behind. But I would not suggest that until you really have an understanding of the physics or how this movement plays out, so that you don't fall over and break an arm or hit your head. So for us, we're stepping into the GHD by fastening up our arms and making sure that our legs are in between these pads. We're not on top of it, and we'll fling forward if we let go. So we are bringing the legs in close together, pulling our body forward, still holding onto the handles. And as we get into the movements, you could keep your hands as beginners close to the handle. If you're unsure of the movement, you feel like you're going to fall forward, all we're doing is engaging and pressing into the back of our legs into the pad, engaging our hamstrings and your glutes and all throughout your back and neck to hold your body up. So the upper body up. So you could hands up. As you get more comfortable, you could have your hands across your chest, maybe behind your ears, or you might even have your arms raised up, eventually holding a weight at your chest. There we go. Those are the examples. So to come back down, make sure you're holding onto the handles firmly. Make sure you look down and make sure your feet is flat on the ledge here. And you safely step down. Don't roll your ankle over these ledges.